All right. Thank you, Peter, for that wonderful welcome. My name is Mary Gebhardt. I want to thank all of you that came here to be with us in person and all of you that are joining us virtually. As many of you know, this is the first time that this conference has ever been hybrid. And I think that the importance of this is really highlighted by our attendee list. We have over 800 participants for this meeting, and 50% of them are from endemic countries. So we hope that you'll remember this today and be gracious to us if we have any technical glitches. So I'm here to walk you through the schedule and get us started today. So this conference is going to consist of 3 separate oral sessions. We have 2 45-minute keynote speakers and 9 separate 15-minute talks. So for those of you that are here in person, we're going to remain in this room for the entire day while you are listening to oral sessions, or you'll be in Finestone for your breaks in the poster session. For those of you that are on Zoom, please use this webinar link for the entire day, with the exception of the lightning talks, which happen around 11:40. So we have 6 different lightning talk sessions today from different areas of malaria research. We will be broadcasting 2 of these live for those of you that are here in person. Session A, which is epidemiology focused, will be here in Sheldon Hall, and session B will be in Finestone Hall. However, I want to point out that we randomly chose those sessions to be broadcast. And so if you want to watch any of those other sessions, I recommend that you find a different place throughout the school, put in your headphones and listen to any of the lightning talk sessions. For those of you that are listening to me on the webinar, I want you to know that the lightning talk link is different than the webinar link. And you were sent this link through an email, and you'll receive the password later in the day. So just a few quick housekeeping things for those virtual attendings. Again, this is the webinar link, which you'll use for the seminars, but the Zoom meeting link is for the lightning talks. And when you have a question for a speaker, please use the Q&A box, not the chat box. For our in-person attendees, again, there will be those 2 lightning talk sessions broadcast in person. And I also want to let you know that there are microphones throughout this entire room. They're actually in the ceiling. And so when you have a question for a speaker and someone calls on you to ask your question, you can just speak and everyone in the Zoom webinar will be able to hear you. But this also means that the mics are on all day. And so people will be able to hear you muttering or chatting. So please keep that in mind and be respectful throughout this meeting.